Hi guys, hello. This is Paul once again, and welcome to my technical blog. In fact, it's my third blog. All right, so it's season 1, episode 3. Okay, hello. So today I'm gonna give you a short demonstration about autopsy. All right, so just a run through the environment, and probably we're gonna play uh, or I'm gonna show you how Autopsy work. Definitely, I'm not gonna give you an in-depth, like, let's say, generate a report or probably run some intensive, like, somehow investigation. All right. So just to give you a high-level overview, and at the same time, I'm going to teach you on how to update your hash sets database in Autopsy. All right. So basically, you have it right in front of you. It's Autopsy version 4.14.0. Okay. Now, first and foremost, you'll be asking, what is this Autopsy? All right. And where can we use this tool? Okay. Now, basically, Autopsy, it's a digital forensic tool. All right. Now, it's Autopsy. It's a digital forensic platform and a graphical interface to the sleuth kit and other digital forensics tools. And it is widely used by military, law enforcers, and corporate examiners to investigate what happened in the computer. So basically, anyone or any IT personnel, especially the one who's focusing on cybersecurity, they'll be using this application. All right. Now, what are those use cases? Now, use cases is, for example, they are trying to investigate a malware or any cyber criminals, especially child exploitation cases. And since they're usually using image and videos and things like that, right? So how are we going to uncover this? And that would be by the use of hash, right? So we're going to talk about that one later. I'm going to show you first, or I'll tour you in our um, Autopsy graphical user interface. Okay, so right in front of you, you can click on the views. Right? Oh, by the way, first and foremost, you have to have a data source. Now, what is a data source? A data source, it could be a laptop, it could be a desktop, it could be a server, or it could be a hard drive, a thumb drive. For example, like a camera card or like a SD card, you can use it, right? Now, if you're looking on the lower right side here, got one here running already. It was a while ago. I'm trying to play around, but I forgot to run the ingest module. Okay, so if you're looking right now, here it is. It's have to run an ingest modules. Now, what is ingest modules? Basically, you can choose here which one you're going to generate. Like, for example, it could be a hash lookup, file type and identification, exit parcel, all those stuff that probably give you better investigation, right? But for now, since I already run through it and we are on 45%, then we're just gonna leave it as it is, okay? All right. Now, what does Autopsy? All right, it can do a lot of things. Like, for example, it will be able to retrieve images, all right, and videos, and audio, and this could definitely help you with your investigation. Okay. What else? For example, this one. I'm going to give you a short demonstration. Let's select one of this, and probably we're going to play. Apologize. It's kind of slow right now since I have one running behind here. But to give you an idea, if you click on this, you'll be able to get a short detail here where you can play like a mini video or some sort of. Okay. So moving forward, yeah, there's a lot of things you can do from here. You can click on resolve, and you can run some investigation and like how to uncover malware and those stuff, right? Now, there might be some problem here because I'm getting some slow response in the machine, but okay, I think we got it now. So to update your hash database, this is how you're going to do it. All right, now we have a tools tab here. Click on the tools, I click on option, and then there's a hash sets. Now what is a hash set? A hash set. Basically, this is a database for your hash. Now, where can I get this hash? You have that question in mind already, right? So, what Autopsy suggests is that you have to use like a database which is coming from NIST. All right, and what is NIST? NIST is a National Institute of Standards and Technology. All right, if you notice here. So basically, it's a project by U.S. Department of Justice, and specifically, you need the NSRL database. All right, and what is NSRL database? It's a National Software Reference Library. All right, so you can download from here, but definitely we're not going to download it directly from NIST because it's somehow a huge file, right? So what Autopsy did, they have like a repository, and they have it right here, which is an Autopsy under SourceForge. So it's a zip file. Now, if you will unzip this, you will have a MD5 hash value and with index in it. Okay, I'll show it to you how. All right, going back to our Autopsy. So from hash sets, you have to click on import hash set. Now, what does import hash set do? On this page, you'll be able to import the one that you got from SourceForge, which is I already downloaded a while ago. And somehow it's taking its time. Let's wait for a while. So while it's still loading, why is it that we're using hash? Because hash is very fast, right? And it's a good way to do filtering. So this is one way for cybersecurity expert is using. They're using hash. Like for example, let's say a cybersecurity is trying to uncover or doing some investigation of a child like pornography. All right. Now, what they can do, if this image, let's say for example, it passes through Facebook network or any other network, right? It processed to create a hash value. So it's a short numerical representation of the image. And by the way, that image is effectively unique. So that means it has a unique values, right? Or a unique identifier. Now, the hash is basically a fingerprint of the photo. Or it could be a photo, a video, an image, or whatever that is. And the photo itself can't be recovered from the hash, but the hash uniquely identifies the photograph. So you see what I'm trying to say here? Okay, now we have it right here in front of us. Now this is how you import the hash set database. So hash set path already downloaded a while ago, and here it is. Now just to give you an idea, I just downloaded it from SourceForge Autopsy. Now if you notice, it's an MD5 index file, right? So just click on it, click on open, and make sure you click or you select known NSRL or other. And then hit OK. But for the purpose of demonstration, and since that I have things running behind on this application, I'm not going to do it for now. Okay? So just to give you an overview or how you're going to update your hash database coming from NIST or NSRL. All right. Okay, so we're gonna run through. Let's see if I can somehow provide you some animations or videos here. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's kind of slow. Again, we are on 47%, and I guess that's it, guys. And thank you for watching. And by the way, don't forget I have a YouTube channel. And make sure you subscribe, and there's a notification bell. You can click on it too. All right. Thank you so much. And this has been Paul. Have a good one. Thank you, guys.